Hi GIS masters and apprentices, it is Nicola from ADIsoft. In this video I will show you how to edit a feature that has multiple polygons in it. I mean multi-part feature, of course. Let's check it. We have this layer. It has, let's see, it has just 28 elements, which of course each of them is multi-feature. In this case we want to edit only the features that in the project are with this symbol. I will leave them only. You can go to the layer of the project zones, which are these zones with the circle in it, and we just click hide all items, and then you turn only the item you're interested in, or in this case this one. Now we will reduce the transparency of the target layer just to be even more clear. Let's say it's 50. That will turn our attention to the zones we want to change. What is the task here? Let's say we have a zone here like this, and the existing element beneath it is just a simple lot with crops or just forest area. Anyway, they can be many things. Our task is just to make this part of this multi-part feature, only this part, to change its attributes. I will show the procedure. It's basically a 3 or 4 step procedure. It's not difficult. First you've got to plan what is your action. What do you plan to achieve? In this case I want to copy these features of the project layer, copy these features and engrave them in the other layer, and change what the attribute of these lots are. So first task, let's locate all the multi-part features that are connected with these things. Select everything from the project layer, all these elements. I selected 14 elements, and then I go to vector, yes, research tool, select by location, and we want to select layers from the target layer, and intersection layer will be of course the project layer. There it is. And I will just say within precision intersects, it doesn't matter, within, and contains. Create new selection, run. Now it's calculating for each of these 14 elements. So that's it. We selected 4 features. Although it looks like the whole map, it's actually just 4 features because they are multi-part features. Now we are ready to copy them to an external layer. This will be our backup because I want to modify them. I will save it as reshape files, only set features, add to the map, and I will just save them. And let's click OK. Just make sure that the coordinate system is the same as in the project. I will turn it off for now, but as you can see I did it because it preserves the attributes. I will need attributes later. Now we are ready to delete the features from this layer. Only the features that are selected. You just go there, you've selected, let's say, 4 features, and you delete them. Next we copy these features in the other layer. We go here, we press Ctrl and plus C, and we go here and Ctrl plus V. Because they have no attributes for now, I will change the attributes right away from here. Not update or update selected. This is the layer without the 4 features, and now if I add the other layer, and we will of course take into account this project layer. Let's filter them on these elements, add transparency to both these, 50 and 50. Deselect all features if there are any selected, and let's make this color something more neutral. Let's say this orange looks nice. So we want to paste all of these features, like all of these features, into the other layer, and dig a hole where these features are. That will be done by intersecting these layers. First we select all the features from the project layer, all 14 of them, save them as another layer, which we did already for the other layer. Add them to the map. Let's, for the purposes of this task, just merge them. One feature. Save the changes. And now I will make a difference between this layer, and this layer. So we go to Geoprocessing Tools, see, difference. It would, usually it's a good thing to rename the layers before that, so that you find them easier when operating with them. And they're on the top, of course. We use the difference layer, which will be the zones, and the target layer will be this one. And we will save, no, we will create temporary layer. Run, and it shall dig a hole. Now let's check. You see, the orange leftovers are where the holes were. It completely fits. And you can see here as well. And finally, we just take this difference, save it as a layer. Let's call it with holes. Delete the difference there. And we'll copy these. Copy. You can see the attributes are still intact. We copy these. We go to the aggregated layer and we make sure that avoid intersections is not turned on. If we go to the aggregated layer, let's see, yes, you can see that avoid intersections is not turned on. And then we paste. You can see how faster it is. And because the attributes are still intact, you see the features. And the difference is that here we added the new features that the hole in our multipart. Features without the other way around was to split the multipart features. Like click on this, split multipart, and then merge them later. But it will take a lot of time. And this is the whole process. How to change the attributes of simple parts of the multipart feature without splitting the multipart. It's Nicola from ADIsoft signing off and wishing you inspiration in your practice.